viewers! Welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, as you can see in the title below, I'm going to be doing a Shopee haul baking tools edition. So yes, medyo madami-dami din to. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I got here is, unahin natin yung malaki. In-open ko to or in-unbox ko na to sa aking TikTok account. If you guys want to see the unboxing, then just go to my TikTok account at Skyers1. So, this is what I got from Lazada. This is the multifunctional rinse rose hot pot. Ginamit na namin to pang luto-luto ng mga Korean. And it looks like this. Ayan. Sa part na to, pwede kang magluto ng noodles or rice or soup, any soup that you want. Tapos dito naman, you can grill your meat, yung mga egg, and everything like that. So, ito po yung, ano niya, outlet. Ayan. Looks like this. So, you will need an adapter for this. Yes. Next, ito yung in-order ko sa Facebook from Mama. She is an online seller of baking materials. Lahat ng kailangan nyo ay nandun na sa Mama Facebook account. So, i-chat nyo lang siya. I will leave her link down below in the description box. So, first, I bought Scarlett Super Hand Mixer. Not only one, not only two, but 3 para I love you. Joke lang. Ibibigay ko to sa inyo yung isa, tapos yung isa naman dun sa Cebu. Kasi meron na akong hand mixer dito sa province ko. So, yun. Sharing is caring. Hindi ko pa siya... Okay, I will open it for you guys. So, meron siyang dalawang beaters at saka dough hooks. Pero maliliit siya. Ang cute. Perfect daw to pang beginners na magbe-bake, if gusto nyo mag-bake. Hindi lang yung brand na to, meron si Mama, meron din siya nung Hanabishi, Imarflex, at saka Kyowa. Yun. Then, the hand mixer itself, ganito siya kalaki. Ayan. Wait, tanggalin ko siya sa plastic. Ganyan siya kalaki, parang plancha. Ayan. So, it has 7 speeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wala siyang turbo. Yes, wala siyang turbo. But it looks like this. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung mixer at saka dough hooks niya. And I got 3. Next. Oh, by the way, this one is for 450 pesos lang pala, guys. And meron din pala siyang manual sa loob ng box. So, yun lang. Quick unboxing lang. And kumuha din ako ng ice cream scooper from Mama and clear wrap. Ayan. This one is 13 meters long. Tapos, binigyan niya ako ng free cutter and scraper. So, marami akong in-order kay Mama. Nag-order ako ng chocolate chips, yung Grahams, tsaka vanilla extra. Kaso lang, hindi siya pinapayagan ng, ng LBC ata yun, or JRS Express to ship a food or mga babasagin na items or mga food nga. Also, I got this from Mama. It's an electronic kitchen scale. So, kapag yung mga ingredients na merong grams or something like that, I can use this mode. Ounce or grams. So, for example, this one, my bracelet. Ayan. It is 15 grams. This is for 230 plus, I think. Basta, this is 300 below. Ayan. So, meron siyang instructions. Ayan. Tapos, yung battery na kailangan mo dito is AA. So, perfecto for beginners like me or aspiring bakers out there. Tapos, last but not least is yung, what do you call this? Pastry brush. Ayan. Okay, so the next thing that I'll show you guys are the ones that I got from Shopee. So, first is, ito, yung mat. baking mat para sa macarons. Okay, so the first thing I'll show you guys is ito, yung baking mat for macarons. I'm going to make macarons soon, so stay tuned for that. Kaya ginawa ko na tong haul na to para magamit ko na tong mga items na to. Actually, meron pa nga akong pastry brush doon sa kitchen. Nagamit ko na siya. Medyo tamad na akong kunin siya, but it's color red and it looks something like this. Next thing I got is a small whisk, mini whisk. Ayan, it's color red para mag-match siya dun sa pastry brush ko na color red. So, ayan, black and red. Ay, para siyang rubber, no? Pero plastic siya. I also ordered this, a mini spatula. Is this a spatula? Comment down below. And, yes, it's color green. Ewan ko kung bakit in-order ko yung green. Siguro out of stock na yung red. Yung green na lang yung natitira. Tapos, nag-order din ako ng cappuccino maker. Ayan, it looks like this. Pang dalgona coffee or pang beat ng eggs. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng battery. Ayan. Kita ba? So, yan. For lazy peeps. Joke lang. Kapag gumagawa ka ng dalgona coffee, you can use this kasi maliit lang siya. Or pag gumagawa ka ng mga frap or something like that, you can use this. This is only for 80 pesos. Super cheap. Then, the last thing I got from that shop is this one. Ayan, for our door. Finally, magagamit na din namin to kasi na-haul ko na siya. So, yes, it looks like this para sa door namin. Para kung merong mag-o-open, tumutunog siya. Ayan. Marami silang designs, pero ito lang yung pinili ko kasi wala lang. Tip ko lang. Then, from another shop sa Shopee, I bought a loaf pan. Ayan, it looks like this. Ayan, a loaf pan. It's color black for my banana bread, banana cake. And also, I'll be putting the price here and the links of the Shopee shops down below. Next is a hand whisk. Ayan. It's a metal hand whisk. Nirecommend to ni Chef RV sa akin. Sabi niya maganda daw yung metal na whisk. So, medyo malaki to. Okay, next is, I got this sushi maker. Ayan, it looks like this. Pang sushi. Kasi mahilig akong gumawa ng mga Korean food dito or like kimbaps and everything like that. Hindi ko siya in-expect na ganito pala kaliit yung sushi. So, I think hindi ko siya magagamit. Pero, I don't know. We'll see. Hindi ko pa siya kasi nasusubukan. But, yeah, it looks like this. Hindi ko pa nagigets kung paano siya gamitin, but I will read the manual na lang. Ay, hindi ko naiintindihan, te. I will search it up na lang because it's in Chinese characters. Next, I bought a digital timer. Ayan. Tara! This one. So cute. It looks like this. It's color black. Minutes, second, and stop and start. So, ayan. Cute kasi siya. Tapos, affordable lang. So, in-add to cart ko na lang. Bumili din ako ng ganito, bamboo na sushi maker din, pang roll-roll. Ito kasi yung ginagamit ng mga professionals. So, I'm not saying na professional ako, pero parang gano'n na nga. Char! Joke lang. Meron tong, wooden spatula or wooden spoon, pero nandun na sa kitchen ko kasi ginamit namin to kaninang umaga lang. Okay, so I also got 2 of this. This is for the egg. Dalawa yung kinuha ko kasi yung isa is for my friend, tas yung isa for me. So, it looks like that. Tapos, para magiging perfect circle yung egg nyo, I will try this later. Gusto ko kasi makuha yung perfect egg, kagaya ng sa Jollibee. Next, we're almost done. This one, I got another baking mat, baking sheet for macarons. Rubber. Okay, so it looks like this. Gagawa na sana ako ng macarons kaninang umaga, kaso lang wala akong almond flour. Tapos nung sinearch ko yung almond flour, mahal pala siya. 500 grams for 527 pesos. So, mahal pala gumawa ng macarons. Oh my gosh. Then, I also got another one of this. Baking sheet for macarons. I got 2. I have 2 na. Bumili ako ng dalawa just in case maraming macarons yung gagawin ko. Char! Sana magkasya to sa oven ko. I think this is too big for my oven. So, last but not the least, this is from the Flex Shopee shop. I got an Flex hand mixer. It has 5-speed with turbo, 250 watts power. So, it looks like this. In-unbox ko na to sa TikTok account ko. And yeah, it looks like this. It's much bigger than the Scarlett hand mixer. Kaya Flex yung pinili ko kasi marami kasi siyang good reviews sa Facebook, yung affordable baking supplies na group, at saka sa Shopee. Yung bibilhin ko sana was Hanabishi hand mixer from Mama, pero wala siyang stock. So, nirecommend niya sa akin yung Flex. Then, sabi niya pala na wala pala siyang stock. So, kaya Scarlett na lang yung binili ko para maigi-giveaway ko din siya sa inyo. And, by the way, I'm gonna compare it para makita nyo yung size difference. Oh my God. Tapos, ito pala yung 2 dough hooks and 2 beaters. So, ito po yung Scarlett hand mixer. Tapos, ito po yung Flex. So, this is heavier compared to this. This is 7 speeds and this is 5 speeds with turbo. Ayan. Ganito siya kaliit. If you guys want a review of the two... If you guys want an in-depth review of the 2 hand mixers that I have here, comment down below or like this video. Let me know para gagawan ko siya ng video. If magre-request kayo, kasi para naman akong tanga, diba? Magka-compare ako, tapos wala naman palang nanonood. So, eto pala yung difference ng kanyang dough beaters. First is yung beaters ng Flex is bigger compared to this. Ayan, it looks like that. This one, kind of similar. Ayan. Ayan, it's taller. Parang baby size siya. This one is 450 pesos, while this one is 1,960 pesos with the shipping fee. So, ayan. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want more Shopee haul, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe if you want to see more of me. Follow me on TikTok because I post videos there every single day. And thank you guys so much for 150,000 followers and 600,000 like on my TikTok account. Yay! We made it. Sana makaabot tayo ng 180 this month. 180k or 160,000. Ayan, oh my gosh. So yes, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.